Let's do one last graph here. Y equals negative cosine of x minus pi over 4. No coefficient on x, which means normal period of 2 pi. Split it in half. Pi, split it in half. Pi over 2. Split it in 3/4. 3 pi over 2. And notice now that our phase shift is pi over 4, and we do not see that on here. Well, pi over 4 is half of pi over 2, so give yourself some more tick marks in between there. Now, everything is going to happen pi over 4 to the right of where it normally would happen. I see that negative in front of my cosine, so that is telling me start down first. So let's give myself a -1 and a +1. And now I need to start down at my minimum value of -1, but I need to start at pi over 4, so I have to start at that middle point right there. And now I'm just going to tick through my cycle, going at those pi over 4 tick marks each time. Make sure you are using the correct tick marks, and there we go, like that, right there. Probably a good idea to label that first one as pi over 4, just so we know. And also probably a good idea to show this back to the y-axis right there, so we can show that a little bit right there. And now we have done it. Our period, again, just 2 pi, and our frequency, the reciprocal of that, 1 over 2 pi. And there we have some basic graphing.